To set up parental controls on Nintendo Switch 2nd generation, start by opening Settings. Over here, scroll for Parental Controls and go into the Setup Parental Controls. To go forward, you have to actually get that Nintendo Switch Parental Control application, so you can quickly download it from App Store on your iPhone or iPad or on Android devices from the Google Play. So you can also scan the QR code on your device. Go for the QR code scanner, then as you can see it will be scanned automatically. You will be redirected into the browser, where you will be redirected into the Google Play Store, and you have to click installation button over here. And as you can see, after the download will be finished, we will be able to go forward. But if you already have this application, you can just select this one, app has been installed, right? But in my case, I'm gonna use that Nintendo Switch application. We have to click Start. We can set daily play limits and stuff like this. Go to the Start. Over here, you don't need to send data usage, so click here. And now we can sign into the Nintendo account, and admin account must be 18 years or older. So click to sign in. Now you'll be redirected into your browser. In my case, I already got logged account, so I don't have to input the login data. I'm gonna select this specific account that I'm gonna use to control the parental. Now the system will be in link to this application, so we have to click next. And there is the verification code. So now we have to press the home to open the home menu. And as you can see, there's the instruction where we have to reach. So to set up the parental controls, right? Let's select this app has been installed. Click next. Now click to enter link code, and over here we are able to input that code that appears over here. So in my case it's 068724. For your case it will be definitely different. Click OK, and now as you can see we get that connection. So we have to confirm and link our application on the smartphone with this specific Nintendo Switch console. Now click OK again, and over here we can just simply click next on our phone, click to confirm and continue, click next, accept all of these incoming notifications, click OK again, and as you can see here we can actually set some settings: the game chat, some restricted features, parental controls pin, the playtime limit, and stuff like this. Thanks for watching.